Okay, I got some blowback on my heat pumps are a fallacy. Listen, I understand exactly how heat pumps work, and it's incredibly difficult to drill into the data to find out exactly how efficient these systems are because they compare it to a wide range of fuels, whether you're using fuel oil, natural gas, propane, thermo or geothermo, thermal. Are you using resistance heating, which is a new one, which is basically electric heat? Are you using electric heat? Anyway, and then you've got to dig into what are the coefficients of performance. Basically, what heat pumps say is that for every kilowatt it uses, it creates 2.5, 3, or 4 kilowatts of which the average person doesn't have any understanding of. If you're going to if you're going to install a heat pump system, then you're going to have to upgrade your service. If you're one of those green people, good for you. You've got a Tesla charging port. Everything's electric because that's the way you got to go. Then you cannot have a heat pump and a Tesla in your house without upgrading your service to 200 amps. And in order to do that, it's going to cost you anywhere between $8,000 and $25,000 to just upgrade your service so that it can provide the electricity that you need in order to save the planet. And the interesting thing is, as I talked about with AI data centers the other day, is that most of the electricity that's being created is either done with coal, natural gas, fuel oil. Like it's not hydro, right? We're not building dams, particularly in the prairie provinces, to create our electricity. We are burning fossil fuels to create it, which is why it's a fallacy. And they do the same thing in the States. Like I got a bunch of comments from, people in Arizona and California. I'm like, listen, man, that power has to be generated somewhere. And it's not from wind and it's not from solar. It's coming from fossil fuels, or you're damming rivers and causing ecological devastation to the area that you're flooding. Like there's a cost to it all, which is why I say it's a fallacy. And there is nothing more efficient than natural gas. It is the cheapest, the most efficient fuel out there, and people are railing against it because they're brainwashed.